A condo in Cottage Grove with all this space? Come on this journey with me. Hi, it's Sara White with the Hummer Home Team. Welcome to 609 Nightingale Lane in Cottage Grove. This sunny and spacious 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath will dazzle you as you step in the front door with its soaring ceilings, 2 fireplaces, and loads of built-ins. Enjoy the outdoors in your 3-season porch and deck off your large master suite. Your beautiful chef's kitchen is perfect for entertaining. It's all yours for only $299.9. This opportunity comes around only once in a blue moon. Call me for a showing.